You ready?
G'day everyone and welcome back to part 5 of our Cape York adventure. In this episode, Lance and I are finishing what's left of the northern end of the iconic old telegraph track before we set our sights for the most northernmost point of Australia's mainland. But before we could get there, we still had a bunch of challenges left along the old telly, including Logan's Creek and NOLANS Brook crossings. We packed up camp and we were straight into the action.
Well, straight back on to the telly track. I had a beautiful sleep there last night. The place was pretty packed there at Canal Creek, but everyone was on their best behaviour clearly, or maybe I was just that tired and I didn't hear anything, but great sleep, so I'm ready to go today. Where do we go? Down in here. But this is our first crossing for the day. This is Sam Creek. I'll go have a quick look-see. What are we dealing with? Easy, easy, easy. Too deep there in the middle. And then, should be fine there. Straight through the middle there. We're on our way. Yeah, I'm just going to go through there. It's no deeper than my boots, so. Go see how Lance goes. This would have been a nice spot to camp around too. Some beautiful swimming holes in here. This water is crystal clear. It's pretty deep there too. You could just sit in there. Looks like there's some rapids down the bottom too. Here he goes. A couple of bonuses of getting up early and packing up and getting on the tracks. We had a little bit of a sprinkle of rain overnight, so the dust is down, which is nice. The sand is a bit compacted too, a little bit. Plus it seems like everyone else is still at camp, so hopefully we don't come across any cars for a little bit. So, next crossing just up ahead, Mistake Creek. Don't know who named it that, but let's try not to have any mistakes down here. That looks a bit steep.
What's going on here, eh?
I don't know. Maybe there's another way in back up there, but go for a walk and have a look, eh? Because this way looks pretty dang steep. Obviously the camera never does it justice, but I'm walking down a steep hill just here, and then you've got like it's a mini gunshot. It's pretty steep and sloppy. I'm not going in that. It's a no from me for that one. Yeah, this way looks the go. Just have to find a way around to it. Yeah, probably just go around the edge here. Looks the shallowest. Oop. Nice, Lance. Oh god. What a place to stall it, eh? Oh. Oh. Mistake Creek. I made a little mistake and I dropped a boot in the water, but no real harm done there. On to the next.
I don't know if that's the way down for us, so.
You reckon?
Oh, it could be. There's a few ways everywhere.
Hey?
It is? Yeah. Ah, beauty. There you go, local knowledge, done.
That's what I like to hear. Cheers, mate. Let's go have a look. Even up that looks too deep. We might, yeah, I think we're gonna go that way. There's another way in over there. So this is the verdict. I'll make camping up top. Tell us to go down where we are over there, which is easy getting down, but that little track through there is just pretty damn deep. It would be basically air filter height for us, so that's a no-go. We're gonna go up this one. So Lance has got to skirt back up, come back down over here, and then around the outside, and then in front of me along here. It's no deeper than my boot in the middle there, so shouldn't be an issue. He's just got to spin his bike around because we literally parked at the worst spot. So he's just gone across the top there. Here he comes. Still a steep little entrance there. No worries for him. He's through. Now I'll go get my bike. Thanks, man. I don't know why we came down here, but anyway. 1, 2, 3. Oh, thanks, dude. My brakes are crap. But we're in. Yes. Pushing on. Next marker says Cypress Creek Log Bridge. Which one looks better? My one? I'll give it a go. Give him a hand. Hey! No, he's gonna go help him. Sketchy. Doesn't feel good. Wow, some boggy sections here. Be worth a look, I think.
Found a spot?
The best looking is that end one. I'll see what you say if you go up and look, but it's definitely not a drop off like the rest of them are. And it's not deep. I don't know how boggy it is. I'll go have a look, but no. I only went here because I was like, oh, it's the shortest distance, but
good luck. That was just, I just went down into half my boot without even.
Still soft, but I don't know. It's all boggy everywhere.
Okay.
So I'm going first. Decided against that one over the back there. It's just really boggy straight on entries. Down where Lance is another little muddy track. Still not perfect, but I think it's the best we're going to get. I just need to keep to the edge where there's some shrubbery and it's not quite as soft, but it's going to be one of them. Once I drop in, I'm on the gas because I don't want to stop down in this stuff, so it looks pretty bad, but there's no going back. I'm not deep enough to worry it, am I?
No, you're just going to have to walk inside maybe.
That just bogged me and I was power, I did nothing. You ready? Hang on, hang on. I'll hop off it. Oh my god.
1, 2, 3. Stick. There's a pannier.
Didn't rip it, did I? Oh.
Holy, look at the little wheels.
Holy crap. I didn't even realise my pannier was hitting there. That's where I was. Oh. I'll leave it here and wash some stuff off it while it's in the water. Holy dooly. Just cleaning my bike in the river. Nah, just mud. I can't even walk. Oh damn it, I should have went that way. This is why I should let you go first all the time. So I just spent a few minutes throwing some water on the bike to get rid of all that mud that was all over the bag, so I'm not dealing with that later. We're not going to get stuff out of it, and also pulling out sticks and weeds and whatnot from all the sprocket and chain area that was wrapped around everything. Probably wouldn't be an issue, probably all just rip off and fall off on the ride, but I'd rather be safe and just get rid of it all now. Definitely should have went the way Lance went. But anyway, you don't know unless you try. Who knows, maybe I would have tried his one and ballsed it up and then he would have went that way I went. But we're through. Only thing hurt is my pride. So, NOLANS Brook. NOLANS Brook. Definitely not getting through anywhere here. That is like a metre and a half. Oh, run your wheel through the middle.
Well, maybe, I don't know, why don't you say I'll hold the back of you and just walk with you? Well, I'll do it first, but...
Yeah, I reckon one person hold the bars and walk along that one as they push it, and then someone at the back can just hold balance maybe.
Oh, I was going to stay seated.
Oh, I ain't sitting on it. Because if I miss it with my foot, I'm gone. And you're not going to be able to hold the balance if I'm sitting on it and I fall. That's what I think anyway, but...
We don't want to drop it in now.
No, but you're not getting it out of there, that's the thing. Unless someone gives you their winch on their car. I think just riding it across, the risk versus reward is not enough. Hopefully not videoing the bike going in the water.
Famous last words.
Oh man, that's so shit, Josh. Like it's the worst bit is you know people do it, so right.
Nolans Brook, see you later. Sketchy bridge. We did it though. That's it, that's Nolans Brook done. As far as I'm aware, that's the last little challenge that we're gonna have on the old telly track. Just up a little bit further, there's a track that shoots us back out to the main road to shoot up north, so we've done it. I am bloody happy, but we've done it. We've finished the old telly track. Man, it's been some fun. I've had a few moments, but all in all, great success. Super pumped.
So after finishing the old telegraph track, unfortunately it was back out onto the main roads to endure the dust and corrugations for a little while again. The last few kilometres before the Jardine River was some of the worst road conditions we had experienced so far on this trip. We pushed through and jumped on the ferry to cross the Jardine River. The dust and corrugations disappeared eventually as we hit some blacktop as we rolled through the town of Bamaga. As it was still early in the day, Lance and I decided to check into the Loyalty Beach campground, although there would be no camping for us. We grabbed a room so we could de-kit our bikes and ride the rest of the way to the top of Australia's mainland, free from all our luggage.
Just unloaded the bikes with most of our kit, and then we'll shoot off up to the top and then come back here a bit later on, have a few drinks and a feed, but I mean, it doesn't get much better than this view. How good's it feel on a bike with no luggage? We've got 28 k's to get to the top, and I think it's a little bit of a walk as well, but how good. Didn't expect any water crossings. Just hug there, it'll be fine. Here we are. You've done your bit, bike. Another one for the DRZ to tick off my list. Cape York, the most northern point of Australia. Man, happy to be here. Still a little bit to go for me and Lance. Got to get our feet and walk the rest of the way, but the bikes have done their bit and we've made it. Woo! Made it. We got it. One tick. So we're doing it. I'm a pack horse, got my backpack, helmet and my tank bag with me. Didn't want any of it to go missing while we're up here, but a bit of a hike. Holy dooly, what a mission, but we're here, we've made it. But
Yeah.
happy?
Hey everybody,
Well done.
we've done it.
We've made it.
Oh, it's definitely an adventure rider's dream to come. Have you touched fish yet to make a count?
Sorry, there we go.
Oh, he nearly didn't touch it. It means you have to come back again. But yeah, it's been fantastic. Great riding. Plenty more to go though, mate. Plenty more to go.
I know, this is only just over a fifth of the way, distance-wise, I guess.
Yeah, I reckon a quarter. We've done about 2,400,
Quarter? Oh, yeah,
1,400, yeah.
Quarter of the way.
Maybe
Still a
quarter of the
still a long way to go, but massive one ticked off the list. How good? Well, that's enough of that hot, sweaty walking business. We're just backtracking out of here the way we came, and then we're going to turn left and head out east. I think it was Somerset Way or Somerset Road or something like that, but we'll find it when we get to it. I'll head out that way and check out some of the eastern beaches before we head back to Loyalty Beach for the night. This is us out to Somerset, 11 k's. Before I forget too, when we come back, I'll stop at that croc tent we went past, just to have a quick look. Seems like the tourist thing to do. Looks like it's a pretty hard packed beach anyway. It's good. Go, Lance. Don't know if we'll be setting any speed records on these little ponies. Got to get the right shot. Good little beach run. You can see a track up further, so we might still be able to push on through here. Yeah, we go that way.
We head south from this point.
Pretty much.
No more really cutting inland but the Frenchman's, but what an epic trip so far. Okay.
Talking to my camera. It's enough exploring for today. Enough beach riding for one day. We've seen the tip. Tick that off our list. Now it's time to head back to Loyalty Beach and fill up with some food. We've barely eaten anything all day. We've just been on the move.
On our way back to Loyalty Beach, we made the stop off at the croc tent for some small souvenirs. The staff at the croc tent sorted us out with a sneaky little detour to take back to Loyalty Beach, which was much more fun than the main roads. After a big day on the bike, ticking off bucket list items, Lance and I were both keen to relax, have a few drinks and a big feed while we enjoyed the views of the west coast of Cape York, preparing ourselves for the following morning, which would consist of a lot of kilometres along the dusty main roads. As always guys, I appreciate the support so much, it means a lot to me. Keep on doing what you're doing with that like button and subscribe button, it's all helping out the channel massively. From here on out, it's all south for both Lance and I, but with 3,000 plus kilometres still to go, there is still plenty of action to come on this adventure. Thanks as always for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers.